What's going on, guys? We're gonna cold start the 95 Lincoln Town Car. It is currently open header. I haven't had time to take it and have the exhaust done. It's been a little warmer today, so we'll see how it goes. Got a bad idler pulley, that's what that noise is. Good morning, YouTube. Snow's about gone today, but it'll be back Monday. Actually, it's still snowing right now. You can kind of see it. It's been off and on like this for the last month. Anyway, surprise for you today on the 95 Town Car, other than the fact that yes, I did give it a bath. She's got new pipes. Yep, we got new pipes on it all the way to the front. I don't know if you can even see that. It's got an H pipe in there. We used a Crown Victoria H pipe because the factory exhaust in this car, if you remember, was all rotted and nasty. So, Crown Victoria H pipe. I think it was 3 1/4 or 3-inch piping for the rest of it in between, and then 2 1/2 for the tail end tips thing, you know what I'm talking about, at the very back, through Flowmasters, and it still has the first set of cats, but the others have been hollowed out, and so that combination of the cats on the header and then the Flowmasters gives you, well, this sound. like I said, that's with the, huh? Did he get one? Great. So now I guess me and David are going to put a reese hitch on the Roadmaster station wagon. Huh? Yeah. Hold on a minute. Let me. Yeah. Dual exhaust. Lincoln.